Hello students, in this tutorial we are going to learn what is heading tag. Second, we are going to learn comment tag. Third, we have a quiz. And last, there is one surprise for you. Heading tag. First of all, your heading tag is used inside body tag. You already know your body tag is a container tag. Uh, and what is container tag? A tag which enclose anything like here we are using these things inside this body tag. That's why your body tag is a container tag. Next we have a heading tags. This heading tag is used to give a heading to your website, right? So it has a 6 type of heading tags: heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another thing, your heading tag 1 has a maximum size and a heading 6 has a minimum size. Let us we check here. I open up my notepad. Yeah, it is a notepad, and see here our one HTML program is ready. It's a HTML head, title, my web, and next we have a heading. Next we have this body and end of body, and last we have a HTML tag. And inside this body we are using this information that will be displayed in our web page. Okay, so let us we see. I have saved this program on a desktop and its file name is index.html. Let's see here. So it is your index.html. Just double click over here. You see it is your web page. See here, web page name index.html, and it is the content. This is my first web page. So your content is very small, it is unreadable, so better we make it heading. You already know we can make a 6 type of headings. So let us we write headings. We give headings h1 and h1, and you know your heading tag is a containers tag, so I'm using slash here. Just copy and paste here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's enough. Now change. It's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 4, it's a 5, it's a 6. Now again change here. It's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 4, it's a 5, it's a 6. So our heading tag from heading 1 to heading 6 is ready. Okay, so see here your heading tag is ready. Yeah, so just now we have used this heading tag. So let us see. I have saved it, minimize it, so it is your page. I'm gonna refresh this web page. See here, it's your heading tag. It's a heading number 1, biggest heading, and same way its headings are reducing, and heading 6 has a minimum size. Another thing I want to add here, by default your web page has a see here, white color. Your web page has a background white color, and by default it has a black text color. I'm again repeating, your web page has a white background color and a black text color, right? So you have understood how we can use heading tags. So let us move next. Next is our comment tag. Sometime, in a website, we want to hide some information, some content to users. So those contents are not visible to the audience. Like to use this comment tag, we use this syntax. Yeah, we always use this syntax. This one and this one. And whatever we write inside this sentence, it will not be displayed on your web page. Okay, see here, I give you demonstration. Like we have this web page. Now I want to hide this information in your web page. So I'm gonna use your comment tag, com comment. Another thing I want to add one more thing. Your comment tag is a container tag. Okay, so I'm using slash comments. See, your comment tag is ready. I have uh, entered all the heading tag inside comment tag. Now these all tags should not be visible in our website because we have hidden those content in our web page. Now see output. Now I'm going to refresh it. See, it's not hiding. See, we have done mistake somewhere. Spelling comment. Yeah, we have done mistake. We don't use comment. We use symbols. It's a explanation sign, dash dash. Put here explanation sign, dash dash, and no need of these things. Okay, just save here again and refresh it. See, it has been disappeared, so it is not visible in your website. Now I think you have understood what is the use of comment tag. Okay, so just now we discussed comment tag, right? So in this tutorial we learned two things: heading tag that we use to give a heading in our web page, and a heading tag has a 6 options. Heading 1 tag has a maximum size, heading 6 has a minimum size. Second thing we discussed, comment tag, which is used to hide information in a web page. It does not display on your web page, right? So let us we have a quiz. Yeah, let get ready for quiz. Your first question is, which tag is used to hide the content in your web page? I think you all know. If your answer is comment tag, so you are right. Yeah, another thing, I have used here comment. So better you here it should be this thing. It should be this thing. Explanation sign, dash dash, and put anything, text, and the next dash dash. It is a right answer. Okay, so come to next. Next is which Next question is, which tag is used to give a heading to your web page? And if your answer is heading tag, you are absolutely right. Question number 3, how many options are available in your heading tags? Just think over it. If your answer is 6, you are absolutely right. Our heading tag has a 6 headings. Your second last question, which heading tag has a maximum size? Find out. Yep, H1 has a maximum size. You are absolutely right. Now last question, I think you all can guess, and that question is, which heading tag has a which heading tag has a minimum size? and I think you all know that is H6. Very good. You are done this tutorial. So thank you very much. So in next tutorial, oh, there is one surprise for you. That surprise is, what is the shortcut to increase or decrease the text in a MS Word? So do you know? Just guess it. Okay, I tell you. To increase the font size, we always use Shift plus square bracket key. Okay, to reduce size, same process, we use Shift plus right bracket key. Understood? So next, yeah, next is your next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn HTML tag, which is very important. Yeah, HTML tag and it attribute, and I think your body, your this body tag has around 6 attribute. Next we have a quiz, and last we have a surprise for you. Thank you very much for joining Arvind's e-classes.